So, shout out guys. Ayan, Miguel, shout out sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Today, we boast our tulip spam. And this is also, today is sales in Nito shop. This one. It's only, if you buy 4 pieces, only 7 euro. So normal the price of 4 pieces is 11 euro. Now it's 4 euro. So that's why I bought many, because of the stocks. This one I bought this all in the Nito shop. So I bought 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 pieces. And then I sent this to the Philippines. The 4 pieces I will let here for us.